Hello, this is Hubble. I'm so excited to share my first individual project for data engineering system course. In this project, I explore continuous integrations using GitHub Action in a Python data science project. So the primary for this project was to gain a hands-on experience with continuous integration, development, and deployment, or what we call CI/CD pipeline. And the target of this project is to analyze Apple stock performance from 2010 to 2021 with a modern and high efficiency data frame library called Pandas. And here's a brief introduction of the project, of the data science, of the data source. Here's what I did for the data processing, analyze, and the data virtualization. Conclude very brief description and the conclusion of what I have found. And here's all about the project background. And here is the important things I want to mention. I organized my project into several key files and the directory. I showed them here. So the first file I want to share is my requirements.txt file. So in this file, I list all the project dependency with specific version pinned for consistency, like I list all the specific version. And I list all the things I want. For example, I list like for format of code, Pytest and nbval for test and for test Python file and the Jupyter Notebook, and PyLint with Ruff, and to link the code, and the Pandas, Porous, Matplotlib to do data processing and virtualization. And then in Makefile, there are 4 steps here. So the first step is install. We will install the pip firstly, and then install all the library defined in this requirement text. And then we will use Pytest with nbval to make sure we test all the Python and the Jupyter Notebook file. And then we use Black and nbval with Black to format our code, and then lint it. And after that, I want to show you in GitHub workflows. Here's 4 YAML files. So under these cases, this file will be triggered and to run automatically in GitHub Actions servers. So I here just define to call the latest version software and to install as a dependency. And here I use a shared cache for these 4 workflow to make sure they can run very quickly and save the computational resources. And for the remaining 3 files, it is very basically same. I just add with lint, test, and format. And then after I run these 4 workflows successfully, I can see these 4 buckets showing paths of each work process. And then in this live Python file, I define 2 shared functions. The first one is pre-processed data. It will load the data from the CSV file and use a filter to get the Apple data. And this one will do something for the virtualization. And in the main Jupyter Notebook, I call it and I also have some test script, make sure all the code works well. So through this project, I gain valuable experience in setting up a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions for data science project. I also explore Porous as an alternative to Pandas, which is high performance and high efficiency data processing tools. This project reinforced the importance of automating tests and continuous integration in software development, especially in data science workflow. So if you have any question, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.